What's up, everybody? My name is JVR here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a code gate. Basically, you will need a code to open up a gate, basically, or whatever. So to do this, there's pretty much objects to do this. There's an object and interaction volume. For right now, I'm going to use a So you would now need to make your model, basically, of a gate or something like that. So like, basically like this or something like that. You would need this recolor or whatever. Now, what you also need to do is when you have your model, you would need a piston. While you're top of the piston to the wall. You wanna now get the piston. And what I'm just gonna do here is gonna use an interaction volume. You can use a button or like a trigger volume. Whatever you choose. And I'm going to be telling you the differences, how to use it. So, here we are. I'm going to get a prompt local player.
Oh shit, can I spell?
Prompt local player. And this is on use. It's gonna prompt the local player, and you can put the prompt title, prompt whatever. I don't know if that matters right now, but you could put something strange for your game. What we're also gonna get is an equals. Equals an if chip. And then we're gonna get this, put that right here. We're gonna get a show local subtitle. It's gonna like, I'm gonna, depending on using that. So when this is on use, it's gonna prompt the local player. The response is gonna go on A. Now listen here, guys. This B, this is gonna be what the player has to type in to be able to open up the gate, basically. So if yours is like, I don't know, like 1 2 3, then put 1 2 3 there. I'm just gonna put 1 2 3, whatever. So that's gonna be the number that you have to put in to open the gate. The equals is gonna go on the condition on the if chip. The if chip will only start after if the prompt local player is done, basically, because use the event receiver and it seems like it didn't work. Then you want to play if it says that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our show local subtitle. Now put in or else. And I'm just gonna put wrong code. You could put like the same thing as me. I'm also gonna get an SFX, so I don't know, like surface. It's gonna play. We can put like a buzzer short. Now, or else, if this doesn't happen, then we're gonna show it's gonna warn the player that's the wrong code. Now, just to keep a reminder, this only works for the local player. Now, when we're gonna have to make it after the gate opens, we're gonna need to set a time where it closes back again. We cannot just keep it open. So for this, we're gonna need a delay. A delay. And we're gonna do like whatever amount of time you want to put. Just don't put like an unnecessary number. Just put like 7 seconds. And what we're gonna do here is it's gonna run. It's gonna run the 7 seconds, and after the delay, it's gonna reverse. And we're also gonna clone that local player. We're gonna, when it reverses, I hate that so much when it does that. It's gonna show the local player, and we're gonna change the subtitle to closing gate. Basically, this is what it's gonna happen. Now, when this, it's only gonna run the delay. Basically, when this plays, it's gonna immediately run this delay, and then after 7 seconds, it's gonna reverse it. And when it reverses it, it's gonna go back up, whichever direction you're doing. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna put mine backwards or whatever you can call it. Now, after when that does, so now you're probably wondering, like, now you're probably wondering, why don't we put it on the finished? Well, we want it to exactly run while it plays. We don't want to just run it while it's finished. That's basically just telling it it's going off 0.0 seconds. That's what you're saying. Now, I think so. It could work. The speed or the max distance. I'm just gonna put like 3. Max distance is gonna be, say 3.2. So now if I do my calculations right, it should work. Now, if you're using this with the button, you want to put the press to prompt local player. If you're using a trigger volume, player enter to prompt local player. And if you're using the interaction volume, do the same as I did. Now, we're just gonna throw a make a pen. It's gonna prompt the local player, and let's see if it works.
That's not code. That's what
Put it in. See, wrong code. That thing is loud. But we're not gonna put in the right code. 1, 2, 3. Boom! It works. So you gotta wait. It's 7 seconds. Boom. I'm gonna add a little sound effect to that again. Sure. Hold on. Now, when this is closing, I'm just gonna do like a random sound, something like that. Where's it at? No. There we go. Something like that. I'm just gonna put this 5 because this thing is fucking loud, man. Anyways, let me just put this nice and this is actually how to do it. Now, if you want to add like more sound effects into basically what you know. Now, I could explain everything, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. So, see, like, 1, 2, 3. Whatever code it is right here, you can put hints if you're making a game. I'm just gonna press OK. I'm just gonna close. It's gonna open the gate. Now, you're wondering, like, where's the subtitle when we, when this is, if this happens, basically. Now, if this plays, we're also going to show a subtitle. So we get another subtitle, reminding the player that it basically found the code. But I wouldn't say necessarily code found, because if you do that, it's going to show everyone the show local subtitle. Everyone in the room authority is going to be confused. Now, just a reminder that if we're going to put like code found, only do it for the local player. I do not know how to do that for myself, but we're going to put gate opens or something like that. Gate opens, and we're gonna play it only if this. Oh shoot! If this runs, I'm gonna say gate open, basically like that. It's gonna be a meaning that. Oh no! Sorry about the duration. Just keep that 7. Now, I could save this as an adventure right now, but sadly, my Requiem Plus expired. I don't know when I'm gonna buy it next again, but I wish I could save this as an adventure, but it looks like I couldn't. But that's the least I can do for you guys, as of which, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. And it's your boy JVR. Hope you like and subscribe, and goodbye.